162, Fighting for Honor. It talks about leadership. Progressing to the level of leadership was, in a sense, the most selective process, as each group had only one publicly acknowledged chief, a respected member who had to be a true master of the martial art. So, it says right there, 162, second or third paragraph, depending on how you count them, right toward the top, right at the top. Okay, the status of leader was only achieved, according to Philo, by one whose bravery could not be overcome. Okay, so you see I'm doing what's brave, and I'm also the best. And they're denying me my rightful place and stuff. And I'm really a nice guy, and you can tell I'm out here by the beach. Don't I deserve beautiful women like that last woman said? Don't you think I look better in real life, ready for love? You see how they did me, Kyle? Imagine if you're me in the hills, over the hill, and the beaches on this side. So my car's a little dirty. He's a little happy. My nigga over there looking like a Viking or something. Scottish or something. No offense to that nigga.